There's Tigger. Tigger! Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Tigger! Come here. Oh, don't hide from me. I won't bite you. You let me pet you the other day. Oh, here's another cat. Yeah, they're a little shy. Guess they're kind of scared. Kitty! Kitty, 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 kitty. It's okay. Kitty, 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 kitty. You can see her. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. They are cute cats. But yeah, they belong to Lewis and Clark. 2 of them went over there. And then 1 is right there. They're a little hideish. I know the 1 let me pet them. One of them let me pet them last week. And that was Tigger. He let me pet him. So I don't know why he's acting strange today. But yeah. I'm surprised they had cats. But yeah, they're kind of a little scared. But I'm surprised Tigger let me pet him last week. But yeah. Bye, kitty.